Saklandı Poyraz.
It's Mustafa's birthday. His haircut party at his house. All his friends are there. Happy birthday! Look, I've got a present for you. Open it. Hey, it's a box of tin soldiers. They're great. Thanks, Mom. Mustafa and his friends are taking the tin soldier out of the box. Look, they're wearing green and brown uniforms. Wow, there must be how many soldiers are there? I will count them. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 25 soldiers in a box. Hey, I like the soldiers, but I like the paper dancing more. Wow, soldier is different from the others. Look at this one. He's got a broken leg. How can I play with it? Oh, poor soldier can't do anything about it. I feel sorry for him and don't want to blame him. The children put the soldier on the floor in the playroom. Okay, soldier, go to sleep. Come on, everyone, let's go to my room now. The playroom is full of friends. There's a paper dancer in the castle. The tin soldier sees her and wants to speak to her. The paper dancer is so beautiful. She's got a broken leg too. I want to talk to her, but I can't. She lives in a castle and I live in a box. Suddenly, a goblin jumps out of the box. Beautiful. She's got a leg. Why? She's very beautiful. But she doesn't have it. The tin soldier is on the box now. The paper dancer sings and dances for him. He is very happy. My beautiful dancer, I am so happy to see you again. Oh, my soldier, I am happy that you are finally back. The boy shoved the tin soldier into the box. Suddenly, the door opens and the paper dancer falls into the box. I'm falling. Catch me, my soldier. Great! Then you are both going to grab me from the box. The tin soldier is with the paper dancer now and he's happy. My beautiful dancer, we are finally together. Yes, my soldier. The next morning, the man hides them in the box and puts them in the castle. They live together happily ever after.
Thank you.